Now the heat index is over 100 today. So there's a nice breeze blowing, and I decided it was a perfect day to come out here and cook outside over the grill instead of heating up the house. So it's not so bad out here in the shade. So I guess I'll see how well I can get this lit with the breeze going. It might be a problem. And there we go. That wasn't so bad. And we'll let that burn a while. Get started. Then I will go cut up some potatoes and zucchini to put on there. Flame going there, isn't it? Hey. There we go. Oh yeah. That's for you firebugs out there. Watch the flame a little bit. Here we go. I shouldn't have any problems getting the charcoal going from this point, I'll tell you. It probably won't be that long before I'm cooking. So. Alright, the charcoal is going pretty good, so I got a nice stick here to kind of spread it out a little bit. I always want a cool part of the grill, so. Okay, this is the part where I burn my fingers a lot, but that wasn't bad. No burnt fingers today. Hey, I sprayed the pan with cooking spray. I cut up 2 potatoes. Part of a zucchini, I quartered part of a zucchini, and I added about a quarter of a stick of real butter, some of those minced onions because I didn't have any fresh onions on hand right at the moment, and I added just some frozen mixed vegetables for the vegetable course. And they starting to cook fairly fast over them hot coals, which I was hoping for. Okay, it seems to be cooking pretty good. Now it's I think I'm going to try to see what's going on down here. Yeah. I think that's going to turn out pretty good. I'll wait to stir it for a little more, just another minute or two. I'll close the lid down and see. I can hear the crackle. It is looking pretty good. Sure taking a while for that butter to melt though. But it's sitting there on top, you see. Another minute or two. See about stirring it a little here. Probably needed a pot holder. Just the way it goes. I don't know. Well, I dropped part of a zucchini down there. Kind of the good thing about cooking over a grill is when you make a mess, it just about takes care of itself, doesn't it? And I've kind of crowded the pan here, haven't I? So it is smelling pretty wonderful though. Yeah, I'm gonna have some smoking zucchini down there in those coals, aren't I? That'll probably just add to the flavor, won't it? There we go. I'll set the lid down now. I'm thinking it's pretty close to the time I should think about going in and getting the meat, shouldn't I? Tonight we're going to have tenderized pork loin, and these tend to cook pretty fast, so that's all that was in the package was two. Okay, so I will put those on the grill now. My vegetables are cooking great. Okay, and I'll sprinkle the tops of these tenderized pork loins with some lemon pepper here. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Maybe I'll just add a little to the vegetables while I'm at it. Like, why not? There we go. That ought to set off the quarter of a teaspoon of honey I added in there. Ew. Oh yeah. Supper's gonna be good tonight. Okay, let's see how it all looks. I didn't quite like the position and everything, so I kind of swapped the meat around with the vegetables. Oh yeah. Oh yay, that's looking pretty good. Oh yeah. those pork loins, as a general rule, don't take too long to cut. There we go. I was thinking about cooking some fruit also, but I believe there's a caramel apple pie in the house that Karen cooked yesterday, so the baked. So I think that if we're in the need for something a little sweet, that probably will fill the bill. And there I am throwing things around again. I'm pretty good at doing that, I guess. Like to say, it's a lot easier if it's out here than in the house, because then I got to clean it up. This way the coals just burn it up. It's one of the parts I like about outdoor cooking. Okay, let's see how it's coming here. Let me see. Move that over there. Give that a little flip. I believe that's done. Yep, I think they're done. They look done to me. Give the vegetables a final stir here. Throw some more in the coals there. Yeah. You see, when you got a cold area of the grill, then you can put the stuff that's done over there. I think looks to me like everything's done. I really should temp it out, but these are thin, and as you see, they are obviously done. I think I can probably skip that for tonight, even though I probably shouldn't, but I will. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so now I'll see if I can just slide it all on the platter here. And I will go eat. Have a nice evening. And thank you for watching.